car vacuum cleaners keep interiors clean, remove dust and debris, improve air quality, protect upholstery, and maintain comfort and resale value. My today's video is about top 5 best car vacuum cleaner that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Fantic Car Vacuum Cleaner. The Slim V10 Apex is designed for convenience rather than raw power, making it perfect for quick, everyday cleaning tasks. While less powerful than full-size vacuums, it excels at car interior detailing, desk cleanup, and keyboard dusting, delivering reliable performance anytime, anywhere. Its HD Smart Digital display clearly shows battery status, suction mode, and real-time operation, adding both clarity and a premium feel. Powered by a 120W brushless motor, it offers up to 19,000 pascals suction in high mode for stubborn debris, or extended 30-minute runtime in low mode for light cleaning. The 4-in-1 multifunction design goes beyond vacuuming, allowing blowing, inflating, and deflating for added versatility. With 10 practical accessories, it easily tackles tight spaces, pet hair, and storage tasks. Lightweight at just 1.1 pounds, portable, and featuring one-button dust disposal, it's an efficient solution for modern, on-the-go cleaning. Now our second product is Black Plus Decker Car Vacuum Cleaner. As the #1 brand in hand vacuums, this cordless model delivers dependable performance with true everyday convenience. Its portable, lightweight, and rechargeable design makes it equally practical for quick cleanups at home or in your vehicle. Despite its compact size, it effectively lifts hair, dirt, debris, and stubborn pet hair from multiple surfaces, working effortlessly on carpets, stairs, couches, furniture, and high-traffic areas. The slim, rotating nozzle is a standout feature, allowing you to maneuver into tight corners and awkward spaces with ease. A pull-out crevice tool further enhances reach, making it simple to clean between cushions, along baseboards, or on top of shelves. For delicate surfaces, the flip-up brush adds gentle dusting capability without scratching. Easy to hold and even easier to store, this hand vacuum is designed for fast, efficient cleaning without the hassle of cords or bulky equipment, making it a reliable everyday cleaning essential. Our third product is Hodo Car Vacuum Cleaner. The Hodo handheld car vacuum stands out with impressive power packed into an ultra-compact design. Driven by a 96,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor, it delivers up to 20,000 pascals of sustained suction, effectively eliminating stubborn, invisible dust from car crevices, keyboards, desks, and electronics. Its true strength lies in 4-in-1 versatility, vacuuming, blowing, inflating, and vacuum sealing, reducing the need for multiple tools and saving space. 5 thoughtfully designed accessories handle everything from pet hair on upholstery to deep seat gaps and delicate surfaces. 3 adjustable suction modes allow precise control for light dusting or deep cleaning, while the pop-to-open dust cup makes disposal quick and mess-free. With a built-in 2,500 mAh battery offering up to 35 minutes of runtime and a featherlight 0.78 pounds body, it's a perfect pocket-sized travel companion that fits neatly in your glove box. Now number 4, Weebly Car Vacuum Cleaner. This 4-in-1 cordless car vacuum delivers impressive performance in a compact, travel-friendly form. Powered by an upgraded brushless motor spinning up to 85,000 revolutions per minute, it provides strong 16 kPa suction for deep cleaning and a quieter 10 kPa mode for everyday maintenance, all while operating at a low 85 dB noise level. Beyond vacuuming, its dual-ended design transforms it into a blower, inflator, and pump, making it equally useful for cleaning electronics, inflating swim rings, or compressing storage bags. A wide range of accessories ensures precise cleaning of carpets, sofas, vents, keyboards, and tight gaps. The built-in 4,000 mAh battery supports fast USB-C charging and delivers up to 26 minutes of runtime, ideal for quick cleanups. Weighing just 0.96 pounds, it's easy to carry and store, while one-click dust disposal and washable filters keep maintenance simple and efficient. And our last choice is Power Practical Car Vacuum Cleaner. This practical mini car vacuum is designed specifically for effortless vehicle cleaning, balancing portability with dependable performance. Weighing just 2.4 pounds, it's lightweight, compact, and easy to handle, making it ideal for quick cleanups in cars or trucks. Built for on-the-go use, it excels at reaching tight, hard-to-access areas where dirt and debris tend to hide. Despite its small size, it delivers powerful suction supported by a top-of-the-line washable HEPA filter, effectively capturing dust, crumbs, and fine particles while helping maintain cleaner air inside your vehicle. The included car cleaning kit features 3 versatile attachments: a flathead for narrow gaps, an extendable nozzle for deep reaches, and a brush nozzle for seats and mats, ensuring thorough cleaning. Powered directly through a 12V auxiliary outlet, it offers consistent performance without battery concerns. The generous 16-foot power cord provides ample reach to clean back seats and the trunk with ease. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.